Hi friends, how are you? Hopefully you will be fine. I am here with a new, interesting mathematical question. 20 divided by 1 by 10 multiplied by 10. Mostly the students do this in the way that they cancel 10 and 10, and their next step they do is 20 divided by 1, which is equal to 20, but it is wrong approach. The correct approach is, first of all, we have to divide because we have to move from left to right, while a question have both division and multiplication. So we will perform the operation which is add left. That operation will be performed first, so division will be performed first. 20 divided by 1 by 10. Here we will apply KCF rule, and you should familiar with KCF. K mean keep it, so 20 will remain unchanged. C mean change, division is changed into multiplication, and F mean flip, so 1 by 10 is flipped over, and it will become 10 multiplied by 10. Now 20 multiplied by 10 will be equal to 200 multiplied by 10. So furthermore, it will become 200 multiplied by 10 is equal to 2000, which is our answer. Thank you.